good news, creatives. Outlines and sketches count. You know those times when you're daydreaming about what you want to create and it's a really practical thing. You're actually thinking future steps, future scenes, future things you're going to draw? That counts. Now, I will say that it doesn't count if that's all you do. You have to actually, sit down and create the thing eventually. But the fact is that those moments of creativity where you are working through problems and figuring out scenes and figuring out plot holes and why that particular painting technique didn't work, that is part of the process. It does count. It's just like anything else in life. It's really good for you to eat fruit. But if all you ever eat is fruit, you're going to be unhealthy. You need more than that. Well, this stuff that you work through in your head is part of creativity. Sitting down to actually make the thing is also part of creativity. So you do need both. But don't listen to those people who try to tell you that making something in your head doesn't count. It does, as long as you take the time to do it in person as well. Sit down with me now, take that great idea you have, and let's make something new.